Alright guys, welcome back to the part 2 of the rebuild of the ATV. Alright, as you can see the gaskets came in, but they don't make that gasket for that one. So we got a new bracket for this one. The new one is more heavy duty. As you can see, it's gonna raise it up a little bit too. Out with the old, in with the new. The old one's cracks right here, as you can see. So we're going to take that out and put this one in. Okay guys, we got the gas cam in, but I don't think they made the gasket for it's the engine gasket. Got most of the part in, but the only gasket they don't make is this one. So we're stuck with that. We have a new one. The whole spring system for that one we're gonna change. Alright. I guess we're gonna make our own gasket again, but this time we're gonna try something different. I know most of the leaking is right here, so we'll figure out something later. Alright. Somehow they made that bracket to go through here, but somehow it go. But we're kind of short a little bit, but we'll see how it go because of the depth. Might be right on the money. Okay. But we're not going to use this bolt on our, you see? Because that bottom ones already have a thread already. So we didn't really need this bolt. Alright, this one's made of aluminum. I'll show you this is steel. Heat treated steel, which is much stronger than aluminum. It's a little lighter, but you know, lighter doesn't mean strong. Okay. Be careful not to overthread it. Okay, make sure it's strong enough to hold. Alright, we got that done. See, the original plate is right here, the metal. So we just bolted it. We don't really need to put the nuts in the bottom. That's good enough. Alright. Okay. Our next step, we got a light here. But it said tail light. So we have 3 wire right here for the tail light. I think the bracket breaks up, so we're going to weld something right here. Alright, we're proud to weld that matter back in the one I took off for the basket. But my weld wasn't strong enough. It kind of came out, so I need to clean it, do a better job than that. Hey, like I said, not professional, and learn as I go. Alright guys, our next step is to replace the solenoid right here. I mean, the solenoid still works, but the relay itself, when you choose with the power, it's supposed to come up, you know. That part is bad. I just found another space. Doesn't have to be the same thing, but you know how the routine, how it goes. We're gonna replace this with one a little different. This one I might have made my bolt tie right like this, strap tie like this. You know, we see. Alright. But to understand how this works, you have a positive here, I think, and then you have the negative at the bottom. Yeah, so you make a sound. See? Means once the negative. So all we gotta do is when the positive wire switch from here. When it's push start right here, we'll push down. Let's send the positive to this, and we'll continue this one, the pad at the current, and that should start the engine. Most time I turn off the cameras to save time, so don't bore you guys with the step. But hey, you guys want me to record the whole step? Let me know. Alright, so I'm gonna turn up and proceed forward. Okay, let's see this old one right here. You put a positive into the negative. Don't hear nothing. That tell you sayonara. Okay guys, all the wires connect. Hey guys, once again I made my own gasket with this gasket maker. If I understand the way how this system works, it only seals the upper front right here, but there's a hole right here. I think it kind of, when the chains run, it throws a little gear loop here to help lubricate this. As you can see, that little hole right here, but I sealed it anyway. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to slap a marine little grease right there to help, you know. Alright, we're going to get it set for 10 minutes, and then we're going to put it back in. Today we are welding this pipe on this. Get a little measurement, make sure it's all nice and level. Alright. Why? You're still off, guy. Try till I get it right. Alright, we go. Why am I always off? Don't it? Well, this one was too high. Good enough. Okay guys, not the best welding in the world, but hey, we'll clean it up somehow. Just making sure it's strong enough. Okay, I think my wire's too fast. We need to slow down the wire a little bit, but after that we'll clean it up. Okay guys, let's be strong as a boot. Alright. Like my welding vest? This helmet works really good. Don't have to flip back and forth. Okay, got it from Facebook Chinese webpage. Took a week to get here, but it's doable. Alright. So we need to do a little bit more right there. Alright, let me get back. Okay guys, I was thinking about just weld this part in right here, a brake light. Don't have to worry about bolt it in or whatever. I mean, it's one-time use, but you know, if I drill a hole but it's still not long enough to go through there. Let's see if this bolt comes out. Let me try it first. If this bolt come out, then I'll drill a hole through that. Let's see how it goes. Guys, I forgot, when you weld this thing, this bolt gets hot, it melts the plastic. Okay, so we did melt a little plastic, but we're gonna see how it worked or not. I wish I had a cameraman, but today no cameraman. Let's see. So we have a little situation. The chair, the seat doesn't want to hold too well. I mean, it's not the best design in the whole wide world, but hey, I'm thinking about do something different to it. We'll see. Maybe I should add some kind of little cushion right here to help catch this ledge, or I can just bolt it down to like put a piece of metal on top of this and take the, let's see, and bolt from the bottom up to this. Get rid of this very flimsy hinge. Doesn't really serve good function at all. And put a little piece of metal right here, water thick one, cut this off. But perhaps I don't need to cut it off. Maybe just, you know, put a little pressure treated wood, come a little up like this. Let's see how it works. We just need a little, maybe 1.5 inches. Okay guys, looks like the gasket I made. Alright, look like the gasket I made didn't hold up at all. Technically, the way the chain work is spin, it actually throw oil to this to lubricate this as well. So in other words, the little hole right there is designed to throw oil to there to lubricate that. So that's only leaking, but there's a little leaking right here as well. But that's the rubber seal, about to replace it right now. Okay, we're gonna go for a test ride.